Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door spacer in the hotpoint refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 5/16 socket wrench. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door spacer. The door spacer on the top of the hinge pin allows the freezer door to glide freely back and forth. It also lifts the door for better alignment and allows the door to close properly. A worn-out door spacer could cause the door to not close properly, leaving a gap on the top or on the side. If there is ice buildup on the freezer interior, check the door spacer and replace it if needed. Right, so the spacer that we are going to replace is located right there on the top of the hinge, on the middle hinge, under the freezer door. So we need to remove the door. For that purpose, we need to remove this upper hinge. Okay, so we're going to climb up to the top of the fridge, and this is the two 5/16 screws that we need to take out. I'm going to use this 5/16 socket wrench. And I'm going to remove that screws. I'm going to hold the door just in case. I'm going to lift up the hinge. I'm going to open the door slightly. And I'm going to lift off the door from the hinge. Alright, so we've got here a couple of washers. I'm going to remove them. And our large plastic spacer. This is the old door spacer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to slide on the new spacer. And I'm going to put those two washer spacers on the top. And now I'm going to install the freezer door back on the hinge. Next, we're going to install the upper hinge. Okay, now I'm going to climb up again, and I'm going to place that upper hinge on the top of the door. Gonna match the holes and secure the hinge with a couple of 5/16 screws here. I'm going to use these 5/16 socket wrench. I'm gonna tighten them. Okay. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.